for lecture number 4. I want you to look up the Small Business Innovative Research and Small Business Innovative Research Technology Transfer, or the SBIR or STTR topics from the Department of Defense and other agencies. Use DoD, SBIR, and STTR as a keyword to find these solicitations. And then if you go there, you can find what I want you to do is to look these up and find the number of topics over the years, maybe like 4 years or so, from 2014 to 2018. And they have multiple solicitations, so you have to look up each one of them. So it's a little bit time consuming, but it is an interesting exercise for you. So I just want you to go through that and list them. Like, Navy had this many topics, Air Force had this many topics. Um, uh, I know what the priorities are, but I want you to get a sense of what the priorities have been in the additive manufacturing community. And also, I want you to go over the roadmaps from NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology. I think there have been other roadmaps, but NIST is the most common one that is available online. So read through them and augment your arguments. What you will find is that there is a lot of emphasis now on simulation and modeling of properties of additively manufactured components. And also, I would like you to go over the National Academy's publications. If you try to buy them, you have to pay for them. But if you download the PDF version, it is free. So you have to sign up for that, and you will be able to download them, and you can find some documents that, you have to use keywords, additive manufacturing. So if you do that, you will be able to find what those publications are and see what they say about the priorities of the industry and priorities of the additive manufacturing community, and use that to respond to this homework. Okay, so that's all I have. So please do that. Okay, thanks.